Find the two numbers whose product is 81 and whose sum is minimum. So solution would be x equals to the one number. Then you have that one y, the other number. Then xy equals to 81, or simply y equals to 81 all over x. But the sum is equals to x plus y, or simply x plus 81 all over x. Get a derivative ds all over dx equals to 1 minus 81 all over x squared, the quotient rule. So x squared equals to 81, or x equals to 9 and y equals to 9. So these are the two numbers whose product is 81 and whose sum is minimum. So your sum is equals to 9 correction, this one is 9. 9 plus 9 equals to 18. A phone manufacturer estimates the cost of production of X units of phones is C equals to 18x minus 0.01x squared minus 785. How many phones should be produced for minimum cost? So your solution, C equals to 18x minus 0.01 x squared minus 785. So dc all over dx equals to 18 minus 0.01 times 2x minus 0, or set this one to 0. 0 equals to 18 minus 0.01 times 2x, or simply 18 is equals to 0.01 times 2x, or x there equals to 900 units. So this should be produced for minimum cost. The dimension of the open tank, that is of square base and perpendicular sides, such that materials is minimum. Capacity is 8 cubic meters, so you have the solution. Volume equals to x squared y. Then you have that one, 8 equals to x squared y. Y is equals to 8 all over x squared. So area equals to 4xy plus x squared equals to 4x, y is 8 all over x squared plus x squared, or area equals to 33 2 all over x plus x squared. A prime equals to minus 32 over x squared plus 2x. So set it 1 to 0, solve for x, so x is equals to cube root of 16, or equals to 2.519 for maximum and minimum. E double prime is equals to x squared times 0 minus 32 times 2x all over export plus 2. So you have that 1 equals to 64 all over x cube plus 2. So at x equals to 2.519, E double prime is equals to E double prime equal to 64 all over 2.519 cube plus 2 equals to 3.174. So minimum. Therefore, use x equals to 2.519 meter, y equals to 8 all over 2.519 square equals to 1.2607 meters. Find the amount of thin sheet that can be made into a closed cylindrical tank having a volume of 50 cubic meters. So this one is H, this one is R, so area equals to 2 pi r square plus 2 pi rh. Volume equals to pi r square h. 50 equals to pi r square h, and h is equals to 50 all over pi r square. In area equals to 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r, your h is 50 over pi r square. So your area equals to 2 pi r square plus 100 all over r. So dE over dr, 4 pi r minus 100 over r squared equals to 100. R is equals to 1.996 or 2 meters. Then your H is equals to 50 over pi times 2 square, equivalent to 4 meter. Then your area equals to 2 pi RH. 2 pi r square, no? 2 pi r square plus 2 pi RH equals to 2 pi 2 square plus 2 pi times 2 times 4 equals to 75.36 meters square. A cylindrical water storage tank is to be constructed capacity of 850 cubic meters. The materials for the side cost 35 pesos per meter square and for the ends 45 meter square, 45 peso per meter square. So find the radius when the cost is less. B. Find the length of the tank when the cost is less. And C. Compute the minimum cost of the tank. So this one, this one's a tank. So this one is the ends and this one the length. So the ends. So they can label this one. So let this one to be R. This one will be your X. So for A, radius where cost is less. So radius where cost is less. C equals to 2 pi r x, 2 pi r x times 35 plus 2 pi r square times 45 equals to 70 pi rx plus 90 pi r square, and volume equals to pi r square x, or 850 equals to pi r square x. So your C 70 pi r times 850 over pi r square plus 90 pi r square. Your C equals to 500 over r plus 90 pi r square. So differentiate dc all over dr equals to minus 59500 all over r squared plus 180 pi r. 180 pi r cube equals to 59,500. R cube equals to 105.27. R equals to 4.72 meters. So letter B, length of storage tank. X is equals to 850 all over pi r square. 850 over pi times 4.72 square equals to 12.15 meters. So your C minimum cost C equals to 70 pi rx plus 90 pi r square equals to 70 pi times 4.72 then 12.15 plus 90 pi 4.72 square equals to 18,900.95.
Determine the volume to largest box that can be formed from a plain sheet 8 cm by 5 cm by cutting equal squares out of its corner. So, solution, volume equals to 8 minus 2x times 5 minus 2x times x, so equivalent to 40x minus 16x squared minus 10x squared plus 4x cubed, or equivalent to 40x minus 26x squared plus 4x cubed. Then dv over dx equals to 12x squared minus 52x plus 40. Make this one 0 equals to 3x squared minus 13x plus 10 equals to 0. This one 0. So factor of that one, 3x minus 10. Then you have this x minus 1 equals to 0. So x equals to 10 over 3, x equals to 1. For maximum and minimum, b double prime equals to 6x minus 13 or equals to 6 at 1 minus 13, that 1 is minus 7, so maximum. So b double prime is equals to 6 times 10 over 3 minus 13 equals to 7 positive minimum. So use x equals to 1. Your length L is equals to 8 minus 2x. 8 minus 2 times 1 equals to 6 centimeter. Your width is equals to 5 minus 2 equals to 3. Your height is equals to 1. So your volume equals to 6 times 3 times 1 equals to 18 centimeter cube.